Hi guys. Hi. How are you guys doing? Good evening. Um, I want to unbox this. It just arrived. It's not even a box I ordered online. I saw it. It was three piece in the pack or whatever, three sets. So I ordered it now. I don't know what I'm saying. It's like it's one that is here. I don't know, Sha, but let's see. Let's open it. Let's unveil it. Look at it. Package. Okay. Wow. Look at this. I think it's just one, no? Look at these people. They brought only one, but it's a three piece inside. It's three piece when I saw the picture on the site. Okay, wait first. Let me see open it. Maybe it's inside. Sha. Never can tell. Let me not judge yet. Uh-huh. I don't have strength for this thing. Guys, it's just one. It's just one that is here. It's just one. It's nice. It's flexible. It's really nice. But it's not worth that price I bought it. I paid for three pieces of this. I brought only one. Who does that? Who the F does that, man? Who the F does that? And the bag is not even that big. No. It's not worth it. I have to return it. It's not worth it that big. I cannot. Guys, I cannot. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Like, it's not worth it. And one thing about this bag is you can just yeah, to put your pin or whatever password, you lock it. See, it's locked. So that's it. Qualities that came with it that made me buy it. This is pure deceive. They effing deceived me. They'll pay for it. I will return it. It's too small, guys. I bought this for 250 dirhams. At least I thought maybe even if it doesn't come with three sets, it should have at least come with one small bag. This one is not worth it. Meanwhile, I've seen other ones that are cheaper than this, and these three sets. Should I take it? I like it, but it's too small. I thought it would be bigger. It's too small. For real. My verdict is it's too small and it's too costly for that price. I think so. So I'm gonna be returning it. It's not worth it. Look at my face. It looks so fat. This camera, yeah. Don't mind this camera. I don't have a fat face, so at least it's not this much. Oh, it's white teeth. Oh my god. Enough about me. So the bag is a no. They deceived me. They have to pay. It's not what I ordered. What I ordered versus what I got. No, it's actually what I ordered, but it's not as I ordered it, as I expected. Okay, I'm disappointed. disappointed. I'm disappointed. I'm making plans for my travel, so I have to start early buying things, buying stuff. Alright, bye. Ciao. See hand now fresh. How can somebody do this fresh? See hand. You be prefer. Oh god. It's not filtered. This video is not filtered. It's not filtered. This is pure raw, pure camera. Yeah. Thing is that my hand is actually, this is my palm here, is actually whiter than all of my skins. Here, you see, it's fair. Look, it's fair. I have different colors. It's fair, it's nice. No, I don't have knuckles. Look at this. Look at this. I don't have knuckles. This is so clean. Like I said, I got a lot of compliment. I love your skin. I love your skin. I love my skin, but the only thing I don't like is my face. People want to finish my face. I love my face, but look at people. Look at people after my, you know, monthly women something. Or during it, all this thing come out like it. They come out like, oh my god. After it's gone, they will stay for a few weeks. Then they will go. So I suffered this since I turned 18, which I'll sit on in 9 days time. I'll sit on 18 9 days time. Whatever. So that is it. If you guys have any recommendations for me, or I beg, drop it. This my face needs to be very smooth like my hand. I want it to hand now. My hand is so smooth. This is not filtered though. The lips now. Why am I still single? That's it now. I don't know why I'm still single, but whatever. I love my single life. Bye.